Hi, this is Bakelite head, a screw type that we made. It's usable for circular shape and telescopic pipe clamp. It's easy and fast if you have a 3D printer. First, I design part in SolidWorks as usual. It's very quick and simple as you see. If you want, you can have a still file. Then I use Cura for slicing the part. It's easy too. I print this part with my own 3D printer. Of course, it takes a while to finish printing. I use PLA type filament for this part, but you can use any other type. So, there is something I must tell you. Bakelite is actually thermosetting phenol formulated resin. But here, we made the part from polylactic acid, as we call that PLA. So after 1 hour, it's done. I glue M8 screw into the hole of part. Let's try using this. Wow, it's ready to use. As I said before, it's made for telescopic clamp. And if you want to see final work, please subscribe channel to see other project. Thank you.